Justin Lobato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to talk about the Marine 31 line of products. With that, we have the Marine 31 Port to Starboard All Purpose Cleaner. Now, this is a great concentrated cleaner because it has a unique blend of surfactants that help break down and encapsulate dirt on all your marine surfaces. So this could be used for literally port to starboard, inside, outside, you name it. It really works in regards to a good all-purpose cleaner, also known as a APC. This will help remove light black streaks, light mildew, and all your common streaks and stains that you would find in the marine environment. The great thing about this product being an all-purpose cleaner is it's safe on all surfaces, and being it's highly concentrated, it could be diluted either 1 to 10 or 1 to 5, depending upon what you're working on. So if you're working on vinyl, rubber, plastic, you could use the standard concentration. But if you're working on fabrics and other things that are more of a delicate surface, then you could go ahead and do the 1 to 10 dilution ratio. Either way, it's a great all-purpose cleaner that can be used many different ways due to the concentration level. So for more information about Marine 31 products, or of course the Marine 31 Port to Starboard All-Purpose Cleaner, visit Autogeek.com.